Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to teach you with my daughter Lindy. Say hi. Oh, she's grouchy. She doesn't want to say hi. I'm going to teach you how to make a table or insert a table using Microsoft Excel. Let's go ahead and get started. So I like to do it like this. I like to create all the data for the table and then insert the table, and basically that just turns it into an actual table where I can manage the data easier and it looks more easy to read without having to format every little thing. So here's what I do. This is a leaderboard I created. I'm going to actually use this for my sales team for the month of April. It's a leaderboard. I've got the sales rep. I've got how many sets were closed that they set, appointments they set that were closed, how many closes they did as a closer, and their total score, the total of the two. Okay, now let's go. I'm going to show you how to do the table and then the advantages to setting this up as an actual table. All right, so first off, I'm going to select the parts of this data that I want to be the table. All right, I do that by clicking and dragging across all the cells, or I can select the first cell I want. I can hold shift and select the last cell I want. So again, there's two ways to select everything. Click on the first cell and drag, hold it down and drag over all the cells you want to be part of this table, or select the first cell you want to be part of the table, hold shift, select the last cell. Either way will work. Then once all of the cells you want to be in the table are selected, you go to insert table. And it'll pop up this saying my table already has headers. You'll want to select that if you've created headers like I have right here, so that they don't become part of the data. They become just the headers. I click OK. Okay. Then I've got these different templates. All right. I can choose from these different templates a look that I like. Okay. Choose one that you think looks nice. I'm going to go with that. Now let's go with this one. That's my favorite. Okay, so I've got this selected up here at the top. I did not make that part of the cell because otherwise, or part of the table, because otherwise that would have been part of the data. But I do want to make it match, so I'm going to go like this just for formatting reasons. I'm going to choose the same. What color is that? Yeah, I'm going to choose that same color, and I'm going to draw a border around it. I'm going to make the border thick right here, and I'm going to make the border line color black. All right, now let's go ahead and select the whole thing, and let's put that border around like that. Okay. All right, so there's my leaderboard table that I've created. It's ready to go. April leaderboard. Now, the cool thing about the table is I can click this and filter out any sales reps I don't want to be on there. All right. And then let's say right now there's only one person on the leaderboard with a score. But let's say that I want to add a score. Let's say they get a sell this week. He now is in the lead. If I go like this and choose ascending order, it should put him at descending order. We'll put him at the top. So now it's in order of most cells to least cells in there. Okay. So let's go ahead and leave it like that. But then let's put these back to zeros. And then I have to redo it for it to work properly. There you go. All right, so that's the cool thing about tables, and that is how you make a table in Excel. If that was helpful, leave a comment. If you have questions, leave a comment. I'll be happy to make a custom video. And also check out my playlist of all my tutorials on how to use Excel. And make sure you subscribe to Teach Mom How.